How to book a flight on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can book a flight on Rex Airlines. So how do you go about it? The first step is to open your web browser and then enter in rexairlines.com, and you'll be brought to this home page where you can see the Rex logo at the top left corner and you can see other functions next to it. So all you need to do next is to scroll down to the section where you can see book flight, manage bookings, web check-in. Ensure you selected the book flight. So then you have to select the kind of trip that you are going to. Is it a one-way trip? Is it a return trip? Select it and select your location that you're coming from as well as where you're going to. Then select the travel date. All right, the date is very essential. Then select your travel date as well as your returning date. Select the number of passengers. Okay, then move to the right side of the screen and click on book now. Then once you've done that, you'd have to wait for your flight details as requested to be processed in order for you to see the available flight for those days. So let's see. So once you've done that, you would have to carry out this activity to be sure that you are not a robot, and then you sit tight and you wait. So once you've waited, you can now see the flights that are available for those days on Rex Airlines. Then you can now scroll down and decide to select the day. Then by the right side, you can see some buttons which shows fly economy, fly business. You have to see the class, the cabin class that you would like to go with. So select the one that you want. Okay, so for me, I'll just stick with economy that it is. Then you can see that most of the fares are not available. All right, so that means that you would have to change either the date or the location. You have to modify your search in order for you to get available flight. All right, so or just click on the flight. Then you can see the option to select saver or to upgrade. You can see different function under the flight. Even under economy, there's different kinds of class. Okay, depending on what you want. For the flex, you can see the inclusions needed, the inclusions included, and for the saver, you can see the inclusion as well. So once you selected that, you have a choice to edit your selection, but if not, just stick to the actual one. Then you would have to select the one for your returning flight as well. You can upgrade if you so decide. Okay, all right. So then once you're done, you can see that both fares have added up, and you can now see the amount that you're owing in here. Then click on continue, and your flight would be processed as well. Okay, so for that other flight, you can see that the one that is not available is the business class. Okay, so take note of that. The one that is not available is the business class, whereas the one where the money is displayed is the economic class, and that is the one that available. So in case you wanted the business class, you would have to modify your search in order for you to get the flights for business class. I hope that is clear. And then once you're on the passengers page, of course, the next step is to enter in your details as a passenger. Sure you entering your first name, your last name. Every bit of information asked should be displayed. So if you have a loyalty program number, ensure you include it. It is always essential because it should give you a lower cost. The next step would be for you to enter in your phone number, then your email address as well as your postcode. Then the next step will be for you to scroll down to enter in your contact details. So ensure you do that as well. Once you are done entering all of the details, just scroll down. You can decide to subscribe to the news channel. You can decide to get want your itinerary email if you want your itinerary text to you, you can check this box. Then you scroll down. If you want a special service request, you can do that here on this page. But if you don't, just move to the bottom right side and click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next stage for the booking process. All right, this stage is the extra stage where you can add some travel extras to your booking and make your experience with Rex perfect. So you can get extra baggage if you want, for both returning and after. You can start to choose seats. Okay, you have the option for you to choose seats here. You can even rent cars if you want. Everything has been simplified for you on this website. Then click on continue. Once you've done that, once you're done selecting your choice, and you then proceed to the next stage, which is the payment stage. All right. So on this stage now, you can now see your departing flights, then your returning flight. You can see the summary of your booking. Then once you're sure that this is it, check through it, ensure this is what you want, then click on complete payment. So after clicking on complete payment, you can see the write-up which instructs you on how you can make your payment. So ensure you read through it, okay, in order to avoid credit card costs. So you can now scroll down, click on acknowledge, ensure you read it, okay, so that you can know what to do. Then you can see the different payment options. You can even see fair rules. Ensure you check out fair rules to see the rules guiding your travel. Then for payment method, you can see the two method here. Yes, the credit card, paper. Okay, so for credit card, you have to enter in your credit card number, your expiration date on your card, your CVV, and then click on continue. Then click on complete payment now. You have to agree to the terms and condition. If not, you won't be able to click on complete payment. So ensure you check this box. Okay, then click on complete payment now, and then you'll be taken to the next stage where your payment will be confirmed and an e-ticket will be sent to you, as well as a confirmation email that your payment has been successful. So sure you keep the e-ticket, and because you will need it while checking in, you need it while checking the status of your flight online. So this is how you can book a flight on Rex Airlines. You can see how simple it is, how fast it is. So ensure you utilize this website to book your flights today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.